My amp ain't I play out.
get down for 2 of them.
Oh yeah.
Let them know exactly what you're running in here, man.
Okay. Starting with from the front to the back, I have a GP car audio, 2-aught all the way through. I have 1-aught from my bank to my amplifier, my Ruthless 4500, wired at half ohm. I have a Kenwood Exelon DMX 809S, and my subs, they're custom Sundown U V1s with 8-layer coils. There's wired down to half ohm. I have a Coventry Audio skid bank 43.5 amp hour.
Yes, sir.
And my box is tuned to 32.75, and the box is 4 cubes.
Yes, sir.
That design was by Drew Jones.
Good too, man.
I try. I've been working hard night and day. Every day I get off, I put it
Man,
in
it was good seeing you have it out here today.
Thank you. I appreciate it. I've been trying to catch you.
I said, man, we gonna get together.
Oh yeah, most definitely, brother.
Where can I find you on social media?
You can look me up at Facebook, Aaron Mills.
Y'all be sure to give him a follow. I'm gonna tag him down below in the video. I appreciate it.
Thank you, brother.
Good seeing you, bro. What's the next show you going to?
Next one that comes up.
Yeah, definitely.
Right equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.